My sweet wife, from the moment I saw you, my world shifted like the sky changing from storm to calm. Your presence was a quiet revelation, a light that seeped into the corners of my heart I didn't know existed. My sweet wife, you carry a grace that is effortless, a beauty that is not only in your face, but in every word, every smile, every gesture. The way you speak with kindness and clarity, the way you listen with patience and care, tells me more about love than any story ever could. My sweet wife, you are my anchor and my wings, holding me steady when the world trembles, lifting me higher when I doubt myself. In your eyes, I see reflection and understanding, acceptance and hope. All the things I feared were lost. My sweet wife, I remember the first time we held hands, how it felt like the universe had finally aligned for us. Your fingers in mine, warm and sure, and in that simple act, I felt an eternity unfold quietly in our palms. My sweet wife, I think of the laughter we've shared, those moments when nothing else existed but our joy, when time itself paused to let us live fully in that happiness. And I promise you this, I will always seek to create more moments like that, to nurture the laughter, to protect the joy that belongs to us. My sweet wife, I have watched you in quiet reflection, in your solitude, and I marvel at your strength. You are unyielding when the world challenges you, resilient when storms rage, compassionate even when your own heart aches. I see the battles you fight, often unseen, and my admiration grows with every silent victory. My sweet wife, I want you to know that my love is not fleeting, not a spark that ignites and fades. It is a river, steady and deep, carving its way through time, finding every corner of your heart to fill with warmth, care, and devotion. My sweet wife, when I see you resting, tired from the day's work, I feel a tenderness that overwhelms me. I wish I could shoulder your burdens, carry your worries, so you might feel light, even for a moment. My sweet wife, I have seen your tears, and I have tried to hold them in my hands, to shelter them, to make them vanish with nothing more than a glance, a touch, a promise whispered that you are not alone. My sweet wife, your laughter is music that plays in my heart long after the sound has faded. Your smile is sunshine that warms even the coldest parts of me. Your voice is a balm to wounds that the world cannot see. My sweet wife, I love the way you dream, how your hopes are both bold and gentle, how your imagination paints our future in colors brighter than reality often allows. I want to walk every path with you, to explore every dream together, to turn them into living memories. My sweet wife, I remember the quiet nights when we shared our fears, our doubts, our unspoken wishes. You listened without judgment, offering only understanding, and I realized then that love is not just passion or words, but presence, steadfast and unwavering. My sweet wife, I promise to honor you, to honor your heart, your mind, your soul, to cherish you not only in grand gestures, but in the quiet acts of every day. A hand held, a word of encouragement, a silent understanding. When words fall short, my sweet wife, I will protect the light in your eyes, the warmth in your smile, the strength in your heart. I will walk beside you through joy and sorrow, through triumph and defeat, through the ordinary days that make life extraordinary because we share them, my sweet wife. Even in silence, even in distance, my heart beats for you alone. No shadow can dim the love I feel. No obstacle can sever the bond that grows stronger with each passing moment. My sweet wife, I think of the years ahead and I am filled with hope. I see mornings waking beside you, evenings ending with your hand in mine, decades of laughter, of whispers, of shared dreams and quiet companionship. I see a life built together, strong and enduring, rooted in love and trust, nourished by respect, protected by devotion. My sweet wife, I love you in ways words cannot capture, in ways actions can only hint at. I love you for who you are, for how you make me feel, for the future we will create, for the eternity I see. In every glance, every touch, every heartbeat, every day with you is a gift, every moment a treasure. Even the simplest gestures become sacred memories. Your presence turns ordinary life into something extraordinary, and my heart beats